Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and I am hanging out here with my white potatoes. Wow. Every morning I come out here, I see a difference. I see a difference, baby. So every time I go over to the Dollar Tree, I usually pick up about 4 or 5 of these tarps. So let's open up this tarp, and I'm gonna harvest some greens, and I'm gonna put them on this tarp. Yeah. So Jody is gonna be over here to harvest my one of my broccolis. But check this out, y'all. I really have to move him because Jody will freak out. So this is, y'all see him? An American tree frog. He's sitting on the broccoli leaves. An American tree frog, that's him. Now you will see him at this time of the year here in Zone 9, right? They are really tiny, and they will fit in the palm of your hand. Now, frogs are definitely my kryptonite, but for some reason, the American tree frog, I'm not afraid of them. They don't bother me as much as the bigger brown ones. I don't like them big brown ones. No. But this one, I can tolerate that one. But it is an American tree frog. But I'm gonna move him. If he don't be gone by the time Jody get here, I'm gonna move him because Jody will be done tore up my entire bed. She really will, right? So I'm going to cook a head of cabbage. So I'm gonna harvest one of these cabbages. One of them, probably this one. So I have some turkey necks in the Instapot right now. All right, so let's get some of these greens. Oh, they are thick. Wow, they are really big. Woo, big mamas, I tell you. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put y'all down. I'll be back. So this is what I've harvested so far, and this is the way the bed is looking. All right, I just want to give you all a before and after shot. This is what I've harvested. This is the way it looks. All right, I'll be back. So Jody is here. Hey. And Jody come to get her dinner.
Yeah.
Come to get dinner, mommy?
There you go.
Yeah. So you kind of hold it down. Now, if you want to cut some of them leaves from around it so you can see.
I got you.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. She healthy, huh? Oh, Jody. Awesome.
Look how big it is.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Very nice.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, baby. Yeah. So this is my harvest. I'm just going to give them a good cleaning out here. I'm going to pick them and put all the stems in the super juice. Got that cabbage, y'all. That's my dinner. That's my dinner. And I'm going to pick them all and put the stems and everything else in the super juice. And then I'm going to bring everything inside and get my dinner prepared for tonight. Yeah. So this is the way the garden bed that I harvested looked like now. Check it out. So this is it now. Now, I didn't harvest many of these collards over here, but I'm going to get some of those. As a matter of fact, I promised my little cousin some, so I'm not going to harvest them today, right? So we're going to let her do her thing. We're going to let her do her thing, right? And Jody got her broccoli, and I'm going to get those leaves over there, yeah. And then I'm going to get that plant up. And I'm going to get that cabbage plant up, and I'm going to bury it in the soil. That's what I'm going to do with those roots of those plants. But this is the way it looks. But you just hang in there, because before long, it will be filled again with leaves. Yeah. All right, family. Let me get this inside. Well, let me get to picking these greens. Yeah. This is another one of my raised bed. There is some Chinese cabbage in there. There's about 2 or 3 of them in there, but you can definitely see 2. It's just brassicas in there. Y'all see that. Brassicas, right? So at the end on this side, I planted calendulas and garlic. Yeah, that's what that is. And Azina, she just popped up. Well, you know. But that's on this side of that raised bed. Now let me show you the other side where I dropped carrots. So this is the carrots that I dropped. And they're really looking good, doing well. Now this plant, that is a garlic chive, and they just come back every year, and I don't pull it up. I just let them stay. There's some in the bed also. It's just garlic chives, so I let them stay. But this is the carrots that I dropped. And of course there's some red mustards, there's some lemon balm, some, what is that? Purple basil over there. Yeah, just a lot of good stuff. The purple basil is beautiful, but there are like teenagers, right? That's that family thing. They like teenagers, but they getting there. They getting there, y'all. So this, I dropped garlic and I dropped radish. These are radish. I have a recipe for radish I want to try. So I dropped these radish. I'm not a big fan of radish, but with this recipe, I want to see, do I like it? I want to see, because I have so many seeds for radish. So I want to see, maybe I like it. So we're going to try, but I'm not going to go and buy them. I'm going to grow them. We're going to see what's going to happen. Yeah. So this is where you can really see that yellow Chinese cabbage. It's really beautiful. And this is another one here. Now, they are babies. They are not fully adults yet, but they are getting there, baby. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. And these purple basils are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. They're getting there. All right, so this is my harvest. This is my cabbage. Nice, healthy, beautiful cabbage. And I have a huge bag of greens. Wait, give me 1 second. So this freezer bag is a 2.5 gallon freezer bag that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And this is that big bag of greens that I harvest today. But we're gonna cook this baby right here, the cabbage. And I'm going to cook these greens for my Sunday meal. All right, family. Thank y'all for watching. Later.